we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations are different. In British English, this is normally said as officers. You do want to stress on the first syllable, officers. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as officers, officers, a more open O sound, officers in American English versus officers in British English. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.